In 2025, AI website builders have become essential tools for anyone looking to establish an online presence. But which platform stands out? Today, we dive into a comparison of Wix AI and Shopify Magic. Wix AI offers an intuitive interface, customizable templates, and innovative design tools that adapt to your needs. From starter kits to advanced features, it covers all bases. Shopify Magic, renowned for its e-commerce capabilities, provides robust inventory management, payment integrations, and sales analytics to help you succeed online. When it comes to user experience, Wix focuses on creative customization, while Shopify is tailored for those aiming to maximize sales efficiency. Let's analyze how they stack up. Pricing models are crucial in our comparison. Wix AI offers various plans that cater to budget-conscious creators, while Shopify's tiered pricing provides scalability for growing businesses. E-commerce functionality is where these platforms truly shine. Wix offers solid features for smaller operations, while Shopify excels with comprehensive sales tools for larger ventures. SEO and marketing tools play a pivotal role in online visibility. Wix AI provides smart SEO recommendations, whereas Shopify Magic offers extensive marketing integrations to enhance your outreach. Support and community engagement can make all the difference. Both platforms have extensive resources, but Shopify's dedicated merchant community provides an extra layer of support.